This is Anthony Bear. He claims to have killed the globe. Unfortunately for me, the only thing he really killed were my brain cells, and he might damage yours if you're not careful. You have been warned.
So here's the Earth spinning around the sun. And did you guys know that the sun is actually closer to the Earth in the wintertime than in the summertime?
Well, technically it's the opposite in the southern hemisphere, but you've got it mostly correct.
That means the Earth is traveling around the sun in an ellipse.
Quite surprisingly for a flat earther, he's doing very well.
So the distance between the Earth and the sun changes 3.1 million miles between the summer and the winter.
Correct again.
So let's do the math. So it's the Earth travels 584 million miles per year. So if you divide that by 365 days, you do the math, 18 and a half miles per second. That's how fast the Earth is cranking, 18 and a half miles per second. Now, the difference between winter and summer is 3.1 million miles. Now, this happens in a set time period, 6 months. You're going to take 3.1 million miles, we're going to divide it by 182 and a half days, and you get 16,986 miles per day. You do the math, and you get 0.196 miles per second.
I'm impressed. This guy's on a roll.
So the Earth has to change speeds 0.196 miles per second.
And he just rolled off a cliff.
So the Earth is cranking at 18 and a half miles per second. And meanwhile, trillions of gallons of water flying through space, and this is going on.
The math that he did was all correct, but the problem that debunks his argument is that he didn't keep track of his variables. The measurement of velocity is change in distance divided by time. Acceleration is the change in velocity divided by time, or change in distance divided by time squared. This was Anthony's bear trap. What he calculated was the average speed at which Earth moves toward or away from the sun, not how much that speed changes. He somehow thinks that because he changed what type of movement he was measuring, it changed the measurement of velocity into one of acceleration. It's really painful to know that this guy was so close to understanding at least some aspect of grade school physics, but he failed at the last hurdle. On the flip side, he's doing a lot better than most flat earthers, so at least we can give him credit for that. Maybe there's hope for him. See you next time.